Hey guys, today I'm opening this little package. I got a card, so there you go. Open this up. I don't know which one this is. Should be a Jerome Ford card, or it actually could be a Jalen Tolbert. I forgot about that. Come on, get out! Come on! Using all my might. Let's see, this one's. Alright. Looks like it's protected. Alright. So. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna open this up. Alright. Give me a little pack. Extra cards, really? Open up some, It is out of 35. So, on eBay, it showed it was out of, 35, but then it confused me. Here's some extra cards. This is cool. They do a little shipping with it, so I haven't even opened Donruss yet. It's cool. These cards probably worth like $1 or $2. That's neat. Like David Montgomery. Justin Jefferson. Devontae. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright. Here's the card I got. Out of 35. Jerome Ford. So thank God it's actually the one, like, it showed a card out of 99 on the picture, but then, you know, on the text it said it was out of 35. So I was hoping for the one out of 35, and there you go. It's beautiful. So I should be getting one more, and it's going to be out of 5 Jerome Ford, and then there's like 2 Jalen Tolberts, I believe, I was expecting. So, see you guys next time. Bye.